Yes, Abu Mayen Chetty for an opinion on Makwaba Family Super Sports. I'm not sure game ni din, but it was Yabaka Sena as a Barcelona as Real Madrid JC Nashe. Anna Real Madrid Suswa GFC Barcelona JC Ashe. For the first time since 2013-2014, Real Madrid etimi average 65% possession against a Barcelona team omutimi manage 35%. Out of the 65% possession and Real Madrid and more a single shot on target in a game against the FC Barcelona. Now, this is a Barcelona team that was coming into the game with injuries. A Barcelona team are now into the game after losing against Manchester United as a Lusueti Ameria. I was very much interested in looking at approacher team Efreno Barcelona be coming into the game. But I think if there's a club or match Liverpool how to beat Real Madrid next week near Barcelona. The reason why I'm saying that is Real Madrid are the most difficult team to play whenever they are moving in transitions. Oma Obobone kakra na wo de Real Madrid ma Modric mo fa ball no mo de ba. Abu wasu betima e papa. If you look at Real Madrid goals or match this season. National how Real Madrid ebo tia teams be to say even Osasuna Mallorca. Whenever Real Madrid wants to create quality chances, it is through transitions. Quick 1-2 pass, Cruz, Modric, switch to Vinicius Junior. No my isolated Vinicius Junior with the right back, 1v1 situations, then they move in. Any team be able tries on Real Madrid be born to toe biana. Ansha wasu betima eshi because on memo abobo no kakra. Because of how fast and quick their front line is, and how decisive or moment for the ethnicity was ball carriers Luka Modric, ball carriers Federico Valverde, Camavinga, Estatia or a ball carrier. It's moving to transition balls. Nobody sound performance. We move back one you are dead. And Vinicius, Benzema. And the likes will create the space for themselves. Now, the ball not. So, Barca notice that they are very good at their back line, or more enough missiles to control Real Madrid. But Abu, realistically, they feel that if they should play a lot and allow Real Madrid to do their transitions, it will be very difficult to catch them on a break. It will take Xavi Hernandez after the game. No, he's so much emphatic about the quality of Luka Modric and Toni Kroos. Also, why should I make sure some Boni be looking at how good Omumi and Nubet make keep the ball and move just one pass into attack? And Abu, they played Real Madrid. They played to Real Madrid's game, and Real Madrid so falling for a team of Barcelona with how they are going to set up. And Omuji Vinicius Junior didn't free because 1v1 situation they feel he cannot stand up against Arojo. Ocheba in Fifi anu aba. Ochekwa nche anu aba. And they provided a certain level of physicality in the shape of frankesi. Serebe umbeti me copy with the aggression of players beat Valverde. It is for the first time. Mahuse Real Madrid coach say Oma Mohwe Kotwa so Oma Mohwe and Ewiase nankasa no em say emre ni nkaso. There were times Real Madrid squeezed out games like this against FC Barcelona. And people found it say, yeah. So why now? Xavi himself is not happy about the performance of Barcelona against Team FN Real Madrid. But this is how you squeeze out cup games and make sure so the Bekwako win him. Or Champions League in some games we won ma. Barcelona Bobo ni be say be come and free in some of the games. Xavi feels he said the identity is to make sure somebody dominating possession. But the question becomes, how does Barcelona step up against transitions? Are they solidly good enough to keep the ball so well that team ball transitions the team or make people on a blow lose be? This is not a Busquets, Xavi, Iniesta, Nano Messi's Barcelona. This is a Pedri, Gavi, Frankie De Jong, and Sergio Busquets mo and Frankesimo. Abu, you can't ball retention. They have good players within this setup, but the level of ball retention quality and ekutas at team no. Ebi ni wemu no aka say metimi ball highline dey bia na mo dey nya results. Anything about Barcelona, some of the games Nibu are this season they lost and Xavi is actually learning in a pragmatic way. So betimi dey nya results. Edieti etima your friend FC Barcelona, Real Madrid. And Real Madrid be creating chances in here and there. They know that definitely they are two best scorers in the setup. Vinicius Junior and Karim Benzema. You keep them silent, on be creating chances, no. But when they ball on the kwakoto net, no, no problem. But it makes me so much happy for our brand friend Araujo. Sports. Now, Abu Dhabi, Araujo is making a name for himself because of how our man marking our ultimate players out of the game. Barcelona supporters buffui. Manchester United left Barcelona in the first leg and they said, baby, I'm the Araujo cowboy, you know. Mama could search for the opportunity to dominate, create chances, dribble through, so Benya goals, and they were not happy with it at all. So the return leg, I'm making sure see a better police kakra their mama Marcus Rashford. And it was true. Marcus Rashford struggled against Araujo in the return leg at Old Trafford. Obefa ball. Or the ball ne ben adi so tumika na Araujo apem next year. And that was a game where they made sure say in as much as Marcus Rashford will go to the wings, Araujo will track him. Oban Fifia, Araujo will track him. But Abu, me sure Araujo ding. And then the level of performances in the Nyoma now all there dinner. It gives me a certain level of stories from baby or Fiba and in Pempeso the Ababedri. But Abu, me ametie, me sure Araujo liner of far so and now they are successful footballer. Me nyam way the Babu Diabi. Me wo me say de ba kwa me fani agropa ya de me identify what is the interest of me ba me wo no. Krom ase amanfo bebre na agba hweti because ade a no mo pese o mo ye no enya no mo parents e mo mutimi at some point in time. Araujo se na ni tinye. Araujo na ni tinye kura ni tinye. Ni tinye nye. Baby a no ko school na hwa na no ma me ton fried cake. Baby a no ko school na hwa na no ma me ton fried cake no ma me ni ko school mu anu aton. No amu bi adi. Ma me no hwa akora ne ma breaker. Omo kwa ankora ne di agora no atambo no obobi. Ohwe the way akora ne so passionate about football. Any 1 month, any 2 months, it take him 2 solid years to monitor what are the kodia ne banepe. Some passport. Oko fie one night. Ano ka che ni kuru se no. Mira me jitum ye se me be pa se de ne koto bobo mu e be boana chen se de. Ye ni abre e ho a adisue woko yi. De ya na ye se asa that particular time no. Adisue na no so na nye school mu twa school fees. Free. Ti se bia ka public school. Oko ni free. Iti ma me ne ne kakra kakra no so ni mu ano ama ne bibi kakra di. Ema break no abeje fried cake li bi. But Abu, the moment the woman told Nikunu ni say Araujo very good at football and Nikunu ni to say no. Then school na nkasa wo academy bi wo. He's from the town my friend Rivera. A share border and I said that is the border city between Uruguay and Brazil. Now the next city or town it won Araujo. Baby o sheno no. Ana Araujo ni dano so no. And this was a timer school morning na academy na ne de na kwakutum. Araujo started football not as a center back. Araujo started football as a striker and as a midfielder. Araujo was in the position at the age of 20 years. And yet 9 years na Araujo was in the position. And yet 12 years, 13 years na Araujo was in the position. Nana team na no bone feno Huracan de Rivera. Na ehono na or boy at the age of 9 years, so an address of the capital town of Uruguay. I'm a boy justify. Or boy na Atletico Penarol. I'm fat. I'm also called back to the crew. Echo ball now for 10 years. Into a back for justify at the age of 19 years. So back in 2016, and Oba Nippon was a son of Brabo and Nayeboni Dia or Nobeka so center back near from upon Sergio Cabrera. Papa no any dinner papa cast no. Akuda ya aso wa be PM wo ye kromo ase no. Me hwe ni dia we on se midfielder mame. On se striker mame. Me hwe ni height ni na ho odin ni nyoma bi o ye na. Me de ne bo center back e betimi aboa me pa. Iti team na no obo trials ni yabom na fam Atletico Rentitas. Atletico Rentitas. Na sa team no mu na papa no Sergio Cabrera. Ehu ni ka che ni say no. I have to give this guy an opportunity as a center back. I'm not sure said in the buy. Or boss center back no and taking it 2 years. And a Barcelona scout behind. So imagine if you are still playing as an attacker. He was still playing as a midfielder. Kobinya saw opportunity na kopie Barcelona and he's one of the best 1v1 defenders you can ever get in the game.
Come here very strong. Ball in kita no.
Put in the nickname.
Your friend is
Buffalo.
Okay. About the way see no nya no.
Yeah. From Europe ni nikine ni Buffalo na ho ade ntia ene ne stamina. Ene ne athleticism. Opem no ogina ho. Opem no afa sei. And ono so na eba panyi. Iti abusua bi bia na hia wo fie nyina. Omo de omo last na agu no so. Some man aye. So between ono ene ne nua na odi na chi no, vast years ne so kakraka. Because na ma me ne twa se omo be university wo we mu kakransa. One papa no. Ansa na fofraba.
Mate, me da se pa bi yo.